So we're going to be changing out the pond today. We separated the fish from the actual pond itself, and now we got to clean it all out. And this is what we have so far. How's it looking?
Terrible. Much fun now. I just sprayed more water in to circulate the crap that's in there so we can try to suck up the last bit there.
This is where we have our fish in here right now. There will be a better shot of the fish towards the end of the video. They're a little bit traumatized from being moved around so much. But now it's time to get to work. The size of the pond is 15 foot long by 6 foot wide and around 4 foot deep. It holds 2,500 gallons of water, and it'll take about 2 hours to completely fill it to the top. It's been 2 years since the last time the pond was drained and cleaned, so this was a hefty weekend project that started Friday night, and we ended up finishing Sunday evening.
Ready?
How are we looking?
It's good. Let's see how long it takes.
Like I said, it takes about 2 hours to fill the pond up, so while we were waiting, we tackled pulling the weeds that started to grow in between the rocks. I also took our fish net and skimmed the surface to catch any debris that fell from the weeding. So let me run you through a quick house update. So last week we got our gutters, fascia, and soffit installed all around the house. The total came up to $5,000. Let me know in the comments below if that was a good deal or not. You can see the difference in coloring of the rock of the right hand side to the left hand side. Claire's in the process of painting, and so far we've liked how it's turning out. Can you give us a little update?
Update is that cleaning up all the crap in between these rocks and the likelihood that one of us got poison ivy is very high, and that we are an hour in and it's like 3/4 done. But it's a good thing it's sunny, so that's getting it just a little bit warm for them. And then we're trying to makeshift a filter right now. It's not really going too well, but we'll see. Over here we're gonna pop this guy up top, and the makeshift filter that we're gonna do is going to filter out the water ideally and then shoot it up out of there to create a little bit of a waterfall to keep the water moving, give it some oxygen. So see if that happens. That's the idea. You'll know here in probably a couple of minutes if we end up doing it.
Oh, we did it all right. After the pond was filled, I placed the pump in a 5-gallon bucket and lowered it into the deepest part of the pond. Next, I ran up the hose to this extremely heavy vase that had a pipe attachment at the bottom. I used a hose clamp to secure everything together, and now all we needed is set this vase into place to allow the water to overflow onto the rocks and into the pond, successfully aerating the water for the fish. We were a bit skeptical at first that the vase was going to fall in the water, so we added rocks at the bottom to try to secure it the best we could. Claire then flipped on the pump, and boom, the waterfall is complete. Now it's time to add some fish.
Hold on, babies. Ready, little babies? On your arm?
Good scoop, baby.
Man, this water is super cold though.
Any big boys in there?
Not yet. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, that's all we got for today. Again, cleared out the fish pond, added more water in, added fish to the pond, and we're all set. Here's one last look. They love the air for the waterfall. Again, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.